Hey friends, hope you guys are having a good day so far. Jacob here with my cat, and we're going to be covering the trending POD niches and products of the week. This is episode number 16. And so if you stick around to the end, not only am I going to show you some winning product ideas from different platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify, but I'm also going to give you a bonus at the end, which is what I would consider to be one of the highest profit products to sell in 2026. So stick around to the end because you're not going to want to miss that. So niche number one is coming from Amazon research and specifically a Amazon merch on demand product. T-shirts, hoodies, stuff like that can all be sold on Amazon through Amazon merch on demand. They essentially become the supplier and they actually ship the product, create the product, everything for you, and your customer benefits because they have like 1 to 2 day shipping. So if you're not an Amazon merch, that's a quick rundown of the program. I do sell on Amazon. I also sell on Shopify primarily, and then I have Etsy as well as another passive place to put my designs. But back to today's research, this is the Out of Spells but not out of shells design. I thought this one was just really funny and it's trending. The BSR is going down, sales are obviously going up, and I'm seeing about 33 monthly sales being reported and about $3 profit per sale. And it's not doing bad for a new design on Amazon merch. Now, as you'll see, we're gonna talk about higher profit margin products because that's what I love to sell, are these like higher profit products. But I do still sell on Amazon merch. I do like having a passive catalog to upload designs to. But my favorite way to do print on demand is through these higher profit products, and I'm going to talk about that here in a second. So the estimated profit earned on this design, about $3 per sale with Amazon merch. This can obviously go up or down just depending on where you price your t-shirts, but about $3, and then I'm seeing 33 monthly sales using this product research tool, and then the BSR is going down and sales are going up. So this is definitely a fun one that you can try out. Other product ideas might be sweatshirts, hoodies, or a gaming mouse pad. So this design works really well for those particular things, maybe even like a tumbler mug or something like that. So on to the next one, niche number two. It's similar. It's also for Amazon merch. It's the I'm not procrastinating, I'm doing side quests. I've seen other variations of this. It doesn't have to be fantasy based. Anyway, the concept is definitely working on Amazon. There are a lot of different variations of this. This one in particular, the BSR has dropped to 53,000 in the last 30 days. So that means that it's definitely trending up in sales. I'm seeing 67 monthly sales and about $3 profit again with Amazon merch. So far, these have been like lower profit products like t-shirts and hoodies and stuff like that. But the next one is going to be a higher profit product. And then the rest of the products today will also be something that we can earn a lot more per sale and maybe even stand out as a more unique product option. So niche number three is the Trout Lake House woven blankets, or even just woven blankets in general, is a massive opportunity right now in the print on demand space. You can see this blanket was listed in October and it already has 400 total sales. The profit can be anywhere from $20 to $80 per sale, depending on if you're selling this on Etsy or Shopify and depending on which size the customer is buying. So if you're selling on Etsy, many times you can sell for a lower price because you're not paying for Facebook ads. You're not paying to get a customer. You can simply list your woven blanket on Etsy and then you don't have to charge as much. On Shopify, I would be trying to maximize the profit as much as possible because we are paying for traffic to actually come to the site through Facebook ads, Instagram ads, etc. So we want to, unless we have an organic strategy on Shopify, we're probably going to list these at a higher profit. That way, whenever we're factoring in how much it costs to acquire a customer, we've got plenty of profit. Imagine if we tried selling t-shirts on Shopify. Some of you guys may have already tried this. It is very difficult to have profitable Facebook ads whenever you're only making about $5, maybe $10 when you sell a t-shirt, compared to when you're selling a woven blanket or some of these other high profit products we're going to talk about. We can actually acquire a customer for $30, $40. And yeah, that's not ideal. Like, we definitely want to get that down to like $15. But we can afford to spend a lot more and we're still profitable. If we were acquiring customers for more than like $5 for Facebook ads for t-shirts, then it's going to be very difficult to turn a profit. Like, yes, we could send newsletters. Yes, we could send SMS text campaigns, stuff like that. But the easiest way to secure the most profit for yourself is to choose the right products. And that's exactly what I teach in my community, is high profit print on demand. So this Trout Lake House woven blanket, the estimated profit earned anywhere from $20 to $80 per sale, like we mentioned, depending on the size, depending on the platform. This one here, 57 weekly sales, 400 total sales, and it was, again, listed at the end of October, so it's not like it's some really established listing. It's fairly new. Other product ideas that you could take this exact same design and put it onto other products. You could put it onto an area rug, a shower curtain, a puzzle, bed comforters, or sheets, and these are all different product ideas that you could list to Etsy, or you could try selling through a Shopify brand, which are things that I teach inside of my private community as well. Getting started on Etsy, and then whenever you've got some cash flow, definitely opening up a Shopify store, building a brand, starting to run some ads, starting to really build up your organic traffic from different sources. And that's exactly what I try and focus on for my clients. I think you can see the profitability in this is really good. With 57 weekly sales, that's about $1,700 in profit per week just on Etsy for this person. Imagine if they maybe took this over to a Shopify store and they really maximized the traffic that they were getting to this product. That would potentially net them even more profit, because now they've already verified that this works on a marketplace like Etsy. So we can take that knowledge and that data that we've gathered and assume that if we promote this product on our Shopify store through meta ads, then we're going to probably reach more people who are interested in this blanket. So let's go on to the next one. Another woven blanket here that many people probably are just underestimating how profitable this really is and how simple the designs are. Notice how I'm not choosing super complicated designs. I'm not choosing personalized products that require lots of manual work. These are all products that you guys could create today, and they don't necessarily require any special knowledge of even graphic design, because we could generate these with artificial intelligence, with AI. Niche number 4 is a feral cottagecore blanket, also known as goblin core, apparently. So yeah, we could definitely create this design with AI. The closer that you look at it too, the more you look at it, it looks like this was probably generated using an AI tool. And so we can see that this has 254 total sales. It was listed in October as well. And it says 2 people bought this in the last 24 hours, for example. Look at the price point. $119.99 for the largest size, meaning they're going to extract a lot of profit from each sale. So instead of trying to go high quantity and trying to get tons and tons of t-shirt sales, you can also just target products that have a lot more inherent value and have a higher profit to that product. So again, they're getting about $60, maybe $50 in profit on average every time they sell this size of woven blanket. It was listed in October, has 254 total sales, and that leads to about 11 weekly sales at about $500 profit. So again, just on an Etsy listing, not even going over to a Shopify store, anything like that. Other product ideas, same thing here. This could do really well on an area rug. It could do really well with a shower curtain, a puzzle, a bed comforter, or sheets. And so not only are we thinking about how could we adapt this design and make it better, because I'm not going to copy this design. I'm going to get inspired by it. I'm going to see the data that tells me that people are buying this. And then I'm going to go create my own version that's better, or I may take it over to other product ideas. So not only trying to make this design better, but also what other product ideas are maybe untapped that we could also get into. So this also just gives you ideas for certain niches that have huge demand. So if we find out that goblin core or cottage core is blowing up as a niche, then maybe that's an audience that we want to serve, and we want to create unique designs for this trend. It's probably easier to sell to the trends than trying to create our own trend. So we might do some research on what people actually want to buy inside of the Goblin Core niche, and then make this design even better. We can switch out the phrase in the center here, which right now it just says feral, but maybe there are some other ways that we could adapt this blanket with different sayings and different phrases to still keep the core original winning concept, but change it enough that it becomes its own unique product. That's the idea, right? So let's move on to number 5, which is the personalized daughter acrylic plaque. These acrylic plaques, many people don't realize that you can sell these on Etsy, because a while ago, a lot of people, myself included, were selling the message card jewelry from Shine On Etsy. It was working really well, but then Etsy came along and said you're no longer allowed to sell those message card jewelry products. So what people maybe don't realize is that these acrylic plaques are essentially the same thing. It's still the same messages. It's still essentially the same product. Like, people are buying this because of the emotion that they feel when they read the phrase and the perceived value they're going to get when they exchange the gift. So how their loved one will react. So you can still sell these products on Etsy, even though they don't allow you to sell all of the jewelry products. They do allow you to sell acrylic plaques. So this one wasn't even listed that long ago. It is getting about 21 weekly sales. The profit on this is about $20 profit per sale. So that's about $400 profit weekly on Etsy. Now on Shopify, I would sell this for more. So I'd likely sell it for probably $49.95 or even more. Some other product ideas would be other acrylic plaques, the jewelry plus plaque bundle, which I'm going to talk about here in just a second, and then the message card jewelry. So yeah, you can see the trend on this product definitely going up, and a lot of people don't realize that you can actually sell these on Etsy. Now, the other thing quickly that I will mention is that this is a personalized product. However, it is super simple. It's just a name there underneath to my beautiful daughter. It just has a name that the customer can enter and customize. So if this is something that you want to learn how to do, I have other videos here on YouTube showing you how to do personalized products. I also teach product personalization inside of my private community. And so if you want all of the prompts to create these products that we've gone over today, I have put them inside of my private community of high profit print on demand sellers. Everything that you get inside of this community, I won't go over everything here, but one of the big things is you get to ask me questions directly, and then I can give you personalized solutions on how to move forward, how to get past an obstacle. I also offer templates, AI prompts for products like these. That way, a Canva template, you can just open it up and edit it, or a prompt, you can just put that prompt into Gemini or ChatGPT to create the products that we've seen here today. And then obviously some weekly live calls and some video trainings as well. But this community is for serious print-on-demand sellers that do want to actually start, scale, or fix their print-on-demand business. I do give you action steps and things that you need to be doing to ensure that you're actually moving forward. If you want to learn more about that community and everything else that you get with it, there's going to be a link in the video description with more information and a video that you can watch there detailing everything that you get. As promised, I said that we would do a rundown of what I think is going to be one of the best opportunities, the highest profit products. So hear me out. The cost is only $15 for this product, which is essentially jewelry, the necklace from Shine On, right? And then a LED light up plaque. And so the idea with this is that it's basically an upgraded, better version of the message card jewelry product that Shine On offers. It's the same phrases, same messages that we've used on other things, but the necklace is included and the LED sign is basically an enhanced message card. So I think this is one that not a lot of people are actually thinking about. We could actually sell this and get about $60 profit for just one unit sold on our Shopify store. That's why I think this is going to be one of the big opportunities to scale up, and it's going to be high profit. It's going to be more unique and novel as well. So these mock-ups that I'm starting to test out with Facebook ads and that we're starting to see students succeed with, these mock-ups really stand out in the actual Facebook ad feed. And so if you're running ads and you're looking for a product that really stands out and really gives the customer a lot of value, then this is going to be the product to focus on for 2026. Now, this is part of the Empire Builder plan for Shine On. So if you're not quite ready for the Empire Builder plan, then you won't necessarily have access to this product yet. But I do recommend at least getting on to the plaque trend, because you could do this with a free Shine On account. You don't need to be Empire Builder. You could do a free Shine On account and you could start selling plaques like this. And if you do want the prompts for these products to where you can just generate these with AI, I will have the prompts inside of my private community. You can get more information about everything you get with that inside of the video description and the link there. Go to that link and you'll be able to see my school community and you can get more information. So otherwise, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I hope you create something awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.